Hi, I'm Rico from RecoveryFox AI. In today's video, we're testing how long it takes to recover shift-deleted files from a 500GB hard drive. No cuts, no edits, just a real-time recovery process. Let's jump into this 120-second walkthrough and see how RecoveryFox AI performs. First, here's our test drive. We've prepared 3 folders with different file types. Now let's permanently delete them. Shift plus delete, and they're gone. Let's launch RecoveryFox AI and start the timer. Once the software opens, select the target drive and begin scanning. The quick scan runs first and it's fast. Right after that, the AI scan starts automatically. Quick scan is ideal for recently deleted files. So once it's done, we can pause the AI scan and check the quick scan results. And here they are, all the deleted test files. Let's preview a few to make sure they're intact. Everything looks good. Now select the files, click Recover, and choose a different drive as the destination. Now let's open the recovered folder. And there we go. All files restored and working perfectly. Total time, just about 2 minutes. That's how fast RecoveryFox AI can bring back your shift-deleted files. Want to try it yourself? Check the link in the comments. You can scan and preview files for free, and grab it now with a limited time discount code. Thanks for watching. I'm Reco. See you in the next one.